Do you know that 7 of 10 companies believe that digital transformation is critical for success? But what exactly does going digital mean? Digital transformation refers to the process of leveraging cutting-edge technology to revolutionize business operations and customer experiences. It's like giving your business a digital makeover to boost its efficiency. Is your organization prepared to embark on its digital transformation journey? Access SlideTeam's PPT module to lead your organization into the future with digital transformation. Not only that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. In the dynamic world of business, innovation is the heartbeat that keeps companies relevant and competitive. Enter digital transformation, the catalyst that propels businesses toward a horizon of groundbreaking products and services. Grab this PowerPoint template to outline and transform your approach to digital product development and ensure success. Product managers can use this ready-to-use PowerPoint template to set a vision for the team and other workforce for delivering superior products. This PPT template also highlights an actionable framework for product development team to enhance their operations and functions. Use this PPT preset to comprehend the concept of product innovation with ease. Embrace the digital revolution in your organization. Follow the link below and download our PowerPoint deck on implementing digital transformation in organizations. Follow these 8 steps on data-driven decision-making using this PowerPoint slide to propel your business toward new heights. Get a comprehensive view on business intelligence in this digital age and track the progress of your company operations using these premium PowerPoint templates. This is a top-notch PowerPoint presentation on digital transformation to help you upgrade technology, embrace change and unlock potential for innovation. Step into the future of business with digital transformation. Get our comprehensive PowerPoint module by clicking the link below. SlideTeam also presents you some useful tips to have a successful digital journey to foster a culture of innovation. Embracing this revolution helps companies not only survive, but thrive in today's fast-paced, technology-driven landscape. Whether you're a small coffee shop or a multinational corporation, the journey of digital transformation awaits, promising a future that brims with innovation and success.